We have finally got our hands on a brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and today I'm going to show you guys the best possible LED bulb upgrades you can do for the taillights of one of these. So let's get this thing taken apart and let's get started. Now you guys are going to love how easy it is to work in a Jeep Gladiator like this one. Go ahead and drop the tailgate. The first step in taking this Jeep Gladiator taillight off is removing these two 8mm bolts on the back. At this point you can pull the taillight off the truck. Just pull it toward you like this, you'll hear it click, and then pull it outward from the Jeep body, just like that. Now this top socket is your brake and rear turn signal bulb. Go ahead and twist that counterclockwise. It comes out just like that. We've got our factory 7440 bulb here. Remove your factory bulb. And you can install your GTR Lighting carbide CAN bus bulb. Now the sweet part about this bulb is we don't need to do any resistors or anything crazy like that. You just plug it in and it works right off the bat. Now, if you get this all done and for whatever reason it doesn't blink properly, take the bulb out, flip it around, install it the other way. Go ahead and reinsert it into the socket and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Now, for the reverse light bulb on the bottom here, do the same thing, twist it counterclockwise, it pops out just like this. Remove your factory reverse light bulb, and this one's got a unique install process. This is the 1000 lumen reverse light from GTR Lighting. As you can see, it is a wicked bulb design, and this thing is unbelievably bright compared to stock. You plug this socket into the factory connector just like this, and then this has got a rubber grommet right here. You twist that into the factory reverse light opening just like this. You'll feel it click into place. Make sure it's oriented so the LEDs fire to the left and right, and reinstall the tail light back into the truck. At this point you can throw the screws back in. Now let's run through, get the install done on the other side, and see just how much brighter these bulbs are. Now the entire reason we got this Jeep Gladiator in our shop today is our friend Do It With Dan. He's got a big YouTube channel. He stopped by, stole our Ford Super Duty, you've probably seen that on the channel before, and he took it to SEMA in Las Vegas, left us with this thing. So we've been doing all kinds of upgrades on it. Headlights, fog lights, you name it, whatever this thing needed, we've done it. And if you have a Jeep Gladiator like this one, click the subscribe button. We got a ton of videos coming out and I'd love for you to see them.